this one. Have a look at this, guys. Nice flathead.
Oh yeah.
Good fish, eh? Oh, there's one following him. See that?
Yeah.
What the?
Get 2 for 1.
Well, that's a female. I've hooked, and the male's following her, trying to jump on her while I've hooked her. Taking advantage. Oh, I've never seen that before. Seriously, trying to mate with her. Look at that.
Yeah.
Shameless, eh? Shameless male. I'm gonna net both just for a laugh. Oh, he's gone. Look at that beautiful female.
Oh, nice.
These are the ones that spike here, but generally anything over 50 centimeters is going to be a female. This is their breeding season now, so I do like to let a lot of them go. Amazing fish. She's engulfed that samaki soft vibe.
Oh, what's that? A little kind of like sunfish?
That's Taiwan, that's called, which is basically the brim's cousin. Very
okay.
sea brim are very common. So nice female flathead here on the samaki vibe, and there was a male filling up when she was hooked, trying to mate with her. Dirty dog. See you go. Around. Oh yeah, come here. Nice flathead around. Come here, buddy. Trying to get you off. These fish are renowned for being lazy fighters, and then they get on near the boats or in the nets and they go berserk. Another nice flathead. Another nice flatty there on the samaki. They are just smashing them. There's so many around. Catch and release day today. See ya, flatty. Gone in our rush. Get steady and get the net. Don't lift him out of the water when he comes up. Sorry man, I'll just come under you for a second. Stop winding now. Oh, nice whiting. That's a beautiful sand whiting. Oh, just fell off the hook. That's what's around. Trying to get away from the weed too. You on too? Came off.
Oh, I lost it.
Haha, they do that. Nice whiting. Beautiful whiting. These are such strong fish, these guys. Little balls of muscle. It's a nice sand whiting. Very hard fighters. Brave. It's not that much bigger than the lure. Looks like a brim. Yeah, a brim. Near the boat, the whiting. Yeah. So winter whiting or sand whiting. It's winter whiting, yeah. Usually get a bit deeper than this, but he's roaming around the shallows. There's two types of whiting here. This one, they've got that rounded sort of dorsal fin, that's the difference.
Oh, sorry.
The other one's concave.
Okay.
These don't get as big, they're little fish, but they're very numerous. And grab them for you. That's a bar tail flathead, that one. It's a different species again. It's got a stripy tail. Or flag tail flathead, they call them too. Nice.
Racket. Squid.
Squiddy. Pretty cool, aren't they? Yeah, buddy. Go for a swim. Yeah, down the other way.
Oh, it looks.
They actually
more
pull really
impressive
hard for
than
their
it was.
size. Yeah, they get me every time. Taiwan. Yeah, I'll grab them, that's alright.
Okay. Thanks.
Oh yeah. I'm used to getting spiked. Off you go. Beautiful winter whiting. Hey, lovely fellas. Catch and release day. Bit bigger squid. The bigger ones actually fight quite hard. See them shooting backwards.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, I'm hooked
That's
on
good. Oh, hang on. Just get them out of the way and then I'll sort it out. Squiddy.
You see him shooting? Did you see him shooting? Reckon squid.
Slow down a bit. Just keep them slowly coming. Little lunges, just stop when he's up. Just stop winding and slide him into the nets. Okay, stop winding now. Just gently bring him this way. Any lunges sort of go with him.
Okay.
Okay, bring him into the net now. No, not inking today. Yeah, they can ink. Oh, the whole boat gets covered in it sometimes. But it's a cool squid.
Cool.
Yeah. Well done. Must have been on the bottom. That's called an arrow squid, these guys.
Oh, okay.
They're around these areas in cooler months. There'll be more down there. Flounder. I love these fish. That's alright, I'll sort it out. I love these fish, they're so cool. Flounder. Here you go, buddy. And they're all flat out, I reckon. Get off there. Yeah, that's it. When he wants to run, just goes to keep it steady. Otherwise, just keep him coming. It's quite a nice fish, actually. Ooh, okay, keep him down low. Don't lift him out of the water. I just want to, when he gets close, just bring him just nice and steady. Now it's a big fish. This nice and steady. Keep his head down under the water. Don't try and lift him out of the water. Just bring it this way slowly. Just up a little bit. Stand up and just watch what you're doing there, Darren. Oh, hang on. Steady now, steady. She's a big fish. That's it. It's nice and slow because they can cut through the leader pretty easily. Definitely the fish of the week. This one on broadwater. A big girl. Okay, slow now. Just bring her. Yeah, stop whining and just steadily take your time. Steady. Very light line for this sort of fish. Okay, bring her up slowly again now. Don't lift her head out of the water. Just drag it over just gently. Keep her down low. Well done. There's a big girl. Well done. You did well. Big girl. Had to be somewhere, hey? Get a good shot of that. That's a prize fish around here. Prize fish. 67. Nice fish. 67. Get a quick photo and we'll let her go. So just put your hand through there and then just cradle her belly like this, Darren, and hold her in the sun. Just hit your hand further up here so you sort of holding the weights of her body. Yeah, just have a seat there for a second. Get a little bit of video. Nice 67 centimeter flathead by Darren on the Samaki Vibe. Good fish, mate. I'll get video. That's it. Okay, sit her in the water for a few seconds now. Just swish her back and forth, get a bit of water through her gills. That's it, and just open the lip grips. So you just pull those handles apart, just apart from each other.
Oh, just
pull them apart so it opens them. Yeah. Okay. There you go.
Good.
Nice. See you, girl. Well done.